Let us look at the parts of a circle. So first we'll see what is circumference. Circumference is the boundary of the circle. So we can see around the circle, this is the boundary. So this is called the circumference of a circle. Next, let's have a look at the diameter. So diameter is a line segment which passes through the center and ends with endpoint of the circumference of a circle. So you can see there's a line which passes exactly through the center of the circle, and that is the longest line segment in a circle, diameter. Let's look at radius next. So radius is a line which goes from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle, whereas diameter is from one end to another end of the circle, but radius is from the center to the circumference of a circle. So next we'll see what is tangent. So tangent is a straight line that touches the curve of the circle, touches the circumference of the circle, but it does not go inside the circle or interior part of the circle. So that is called tangent. Next, let's have a look at arc. Arc is a curved part of the circumference of a circle. So we can see here there's a curved part. This is an arc. This is an arc. From here to here we can see arc. So the curved part of the circle is called the arc of the circle. Next, let's have a look at the chord. The chord, usually diameter, it passes through the center of the circle, whereas the chord does not passes exactly through the center. It goes from one end to the other end of the circle, the circumference of a circle. So this is called chord. Next, let's see what is segment. So segment is a region that is bounded by an arc and chord of the circle. So we can see this is called segment, which is bounded by the arc. This is called the arc, and segment, and it's called the segment of the circle, which is bounded by the arc and the chord. Next, let's see what is a sector. So sector is a region which is bounded by two radii of equal length. So we can see a sector, it has, this is a sector which is bounded by two radii, that means radius. Okay, so the plural of radius is called radii. So when two radii joins, connects it to the circumference of the circle, a sector is formed, and this is the arc of the sector.